So if you're a subscriber, wagwan. In this one, we're going to touch upon two topics. Yeah, man. Brysco life was in danger. Plus, we also have King Tavii. So, if you're new to the channel, subscribe like me always say, relax, and make we get right into the video.
Oh no, catch a rock ya. With the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rock ya.
So, if you're a subscriber, it is alleged that two gunmen went after Brysco. Yeah, man, the entertainer life was in danger, but it was a good thing. The police them caught up to them. You see me? So, I'm going to read a little article based on what happened and make you have a better understanding for how me I talk about. You see me? So, be a subscriber if you're new to the channel, as me said before. Subscribe. You see me? I run up the views. So, pre-war go on. So, this says, it is alleged that these two men were held by the police in Blood Lane, Montego Bay, and weapons taken from them when they went to assassinate a very popular Montego Bay-based dancehall artist, Rookie them. Apparently, the security force intercepted them before they could complete the mission. The man in the picture with the blooded nose was allegedly hit in the face by the same dancehall artist he went to assassinate. So if you're a subscriber, what me get from that is that it's not 100% clear it's Brysco, but if it's the entertainer, then we have to say we're happy say nothing happened to him. You see me? We're glad say nothing happened to the entertainer. It wouldn't be a good news, it wouldn't be a good feeling for most of the entertainer drop out. So the entertainer them have to be careful out there, because you see, if you turn a public figure, a entertainer, singer, whatever, a lot of eyes are going to be on you. Most of them are come up to you as a fan, most of them are going to still do their prayer from afar, and you're not going to know who. You see me? Sometimes you're not going to know till it's too late. So all I can say is, you have to watch yourself out there as an entertainer, public figure, whatever you want to do, have to watch yourself out there, because a lot of people are watching, a lot of people, no matter where you go, people eyes are on uno. You see me? So, Brysco, big up yourself, good things will not happen to you. You see me? Watch yourself out there, watch your back, watch who you roll with, and yeah man, just be safe out there, my G. So if you're a subscriber, you can let me know what you think about that. Moving on. So, when you know what I need to do, I need to pray for King Tavii, because the entertainer go through a lot of things, I swear. And people just have it to say he's mad, but as I said before, I don't think that he's mad. He's just going through a lot of things, you see me? So, I'm going to play the live and make you see what the entertainer say, and you can give me an honest opinion on it, you see me? Because as I say, I don't think he's mad. He's just going through a lot of things, and him don't know how to angle what is going on his own, you see me? Yeah man, so pre-war go on.
No brother. Pun. John dog. John you. Come in on, anyway, come with me with the talk.
Yeah, got alright, buddy. You got alright, man. Trust me.
Yo. John you. Come in on. No brother.
Alright.
No brother.
I'm not afraid of that spirit there. I'm gonna stand up to that spirit there. That spirit then are better than God. That spirit then are better than the powers of Jesus. So whatever it is
No,
that's
brother.
bothering you,
No
we are
brother.
bound it up
No
in the
brother.
name of
No, you
Jesus.
don't understand, Dovey. You don't
You don't need
understand.
to understand, but
So
God
you
will
don't understand, Dovey.
understand.
Yeah.
Me are buying it up in the
Yes.
name of Jesus.
I make sure you actually go down by your blood clean them and pray for me too.
Me are gonna buying it up in the name of Jesus. I'm not afraid of that spirit there.
So, I don't know. King Tavii go through things that I guess some people can't explain. Enough people that listen and say mad out, you see me? But trust me, I don't want to reach the point there where me I say King Tavii mad out, you see me? Because I know say a lot of people out there go through enough things where it's like them don't know how to angle it, them just start take out things in anger. You see me? So if you're a subscriber, you can let me know what you think about that. You see me? Yeah, so in this one, I just a little short video for keeping updated. Remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new to the channel, and run this up to 1,000. Yeah man, 4K Shala Energy. I'm out.